Today I'm doing front brakes on this 2015 Kia Sorento and rotors. I'm replacing the rotors because they're pulsating, they're hot spotted, and they're grooving up. I don't machine rotors when they get like that because all you're doing is taking more metal off them and making them thinner, and they're just going to warp right back up. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take this bottom 14mm bolt out with whatever 14mm you have, whether it's a wrench, ratchet, whatever. If you don't have the fancy electric tools, I get it. Flip up your caliper, pull out on your caliper, pull your dust spoot back. We're going to go ahead and reset our piston to make room for the new pads. If you don't have this tool either, you can just use a big pair of channel locks. I've showed it in some of my previous brake job videos. Or a C-clamp, a big C-clamp. Just wrap it around the back of the caliper. Take one of your old brake pads like I'm doing. Just screw it back. Once it won't push back anymore, you're completely reset. Now we're going to take these two 17mm bolts loose on the bracket. Lean that out of my way here. Alright. My socket was kind of hitting that strut bolt a little bit. That's why it sounded that way. These snap-on swivel sockets are kind of fat. Put the bracket to the side. Go ahead and flip that up. Now, if you don't have an impact driver, you can just get a number 3 bit, like I got right here, and put it in a 1/4" socket with whatever ratchet you have or whatever. I'm using my electric gun. Just popping bad boys out. Be careful not to tip it because it'll fall out. Unless you just have a number 3 Phillips head socket. This is a poor man's method. If you're working from home and you ain't got the right stuff, I always try to give y'all alternatives if possible. Now always compare your rotors, the height, the hat. Looks good to me. Make sure you line it up right. Now this rotor has some cosmoline on it. I forgot to clean off, so just hang tight. Let me get some brake cleaner and a rag and clean off this oil because you don't want to get that oil on your new pads. It's been a busy week. I'm all over the place. Everybody trying to get out of town for Christmas. I get it. I've been working, but that's a good thing. Set that down. I want to get all this crap off. You do not want to contaminate your new brake pads, because if you do, they'll start making some noise, squeaking and stuff. Now, if you use cheap pads, they'll squeak either way. It doesn't really matter. Go ahead and put your set screws back in. Like that. Caliper brackets. Start those a few turns. Snug them down real good. Just like that. I'm gonna grab my new brake pads. Put the pad with the warning indicator on the inside. Now, make sure that dust boot reseats over that slide bolt so it doesn't get any dirt or moisture in there, causing it to stick. I'm gonna check the top bolt anyway. It's good practice. Anyways, it's that simple, y'all. I got other work to do, so I'm gonna cut this video off. I hope y'all like this video. Please check like, subscribe. Have a good day. Peace out, YouTube.